This conference will now be recorded.
Nested functions. So already we know about the nested loops and all those things. Same like that. What is a nested function? A function inside functions. Sir, this topic after this very important topic I will tell. Observe carefully. Nested function means a function inside a function is nothing but a nested function. Assume that suppose that there is one function def f1. So observe inside one more function def inner. So f1 is function inside one more function inner function. Sir, inner function contains two variables a comma b. Sir. Now I want to print sum and average. Sum is, so how to get the sum? We know a plus b. Print average. So how to get the average? A plus b by 2. Enough. Okay, just I am printing normal on line. So now anyone please tell. I want to call that function. I want to pass 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40. How to call the function? How to call inner function? Because inner function contains two variables a comma b. So yesterday we discussed types of arguments. So how many types of arguments are there? Types of arguments.
Four.
Four
Four or three.
types of arguments. Two.
Oh, okay. In that four.
Yes. Formal arguments, actual arguments. Actual arguments are again four, sir.
Okay.
Okay, positional, keyword, variable, encoding, default. So four arguments are available there. Sir, now yes. Sir, now please respond. Inner contains two, a comma b. Sir, I want to ask. I want to call that inner function. How to call inner function? So I need to pass 10 comma 20, 20 comma 30, 30 comma 40, like that I can pass. How to pass that? Please tell. How to call inner? How to pass 10, 20? If directly it is a inner function, I am calling inner of 10 comma 20, 20 comma 30. But inside f1 it is a f1 dot inner of 10 comma 20. Okay, one person is telling like this, f1 dot inner of 10 comma 20. Now I am running. What will happen? Maybe my estimation PVM will give left and right. No. Any more? See, Anji, if f1 is a class, inner is a method, then your is okay, fine. With the class name, I'm calling the method, but two are functions. F1 is a function, inner is a function. So how to call inner functions? So here one point you can remember. Inner, Deepthi. Inner is a direct function. No. Inside f1 it is available. So one point you can remember. Sir, this inner function is not possible to call outside function definition. That is the first point you can remember. What is that? Inner function not possible to declare outside definition. Sir, outside definition means this is because f1 inner completed. From here, if I'm started, that is called as outside. So inner functions are not possible to call outside. Sir, where you can call? See, sir, this is inner function definition. Sir, here only inside f1 only possible to call that function. No chance of calling outside. Sir, if I'm writing cursor there, What is the meaning? It is under F1, not inner also. Inner of 10, 20. Again inner of 20, 30. Again inner of some 50, 100, like that I am covering. So inner functions are no chance to calling outside. Only inside function definition only you need to call. So now what to do? Simple thing. You can call directly outside F1. This is only the way to call the inner functions. Sir, entire my program, first which line will be executed? F1 is calling. Yes. Cursor jump to the F1, sir. Sir, immediately, is it calling inner? No. Line number 6 will be executed. Now, inner will calling. Yes, inner is calling. 10 and 20, result came. Second, again, inner function is calling. Again, third time inner function is calling. Like that, my execution will be done. So, inner functions will calling only inside definition. Outside definitions are not possible. Sir, str object is not callable. Somewhere else I did mistake. Yes, missing the comma. So now see 30, 15.0, 50, 25.0. Like that I will get. So that is called as nested functions. A function inside the function. No chance. No, Arsha. Inner functions never possible to call outside definition. Only inside function definition only possible. You can call outer function directly. Sir, now I will write a small program. What is the output I will get? Please tell. Okay. Sir, def outer. Inside one more inner. Okay. Next. First here outer function started. Next. Inside inner function print. Inner function started. Sir, observe carefully. This line belongs to the again outer. Print outer function returning inner function. Next, return that inner. Done. Sir, I am calling outer. Sir, what is the output I will get? Please respond. Observe outer function is there. Outer function is started. Inner one more function. Inner function started. Outer function returning inner function. So return of inner. Just I am calling outer. Yeah. What is the output I will get?
Output outer function is started, then output outer function returning inner function, then the inner function is started. These I mean in this order we will get output.
Sir, here Anjali, so directly you can call the function also, but there is some chance is there function inside the functions. Next level we will see how the inside functions are useful. I will tell you. Wait some 2 to 5 minutes, Anjali, because of next concept. Compulsory we have to use the function inside the functions. Then compulsory we can go to that inner functions only. Direct single function not possible. Okay, just I'm giving nested functions. How it is using nested function integrators I will tell you. Okay. Now, sir, here carefully observe, concentrate. First of all, outer I am calling, sir. So outer function is starting. Next, I am inner function. Sir, am I getting inner function started or not started? Please respond. What is the output? Line number 2 Pakka will be executed. What about 4 and 5? Which one will come output? 4
5.
and
Line number 5.
5. Okay, line number. Sir, what about 4?
4, once it will go to the return statement, line number 6, then it will call the inner function.
Yes, sir. Observe here carefully. Sir, I am calling outer function. So outer function started. Yes, perfect. Now line number 5. Yes, perfect. I am just returning inner. Sir, what is the meaning means? Output function will be started this F1. So output is just outer function returning inner function only. Whenever I am calling F1, yes, this time all will be executed. Inner function also I am calling because of return inner. The inner function I am calling stored into F1. Now I am calling the F1. Then our inner function will be started. Sir, observe clear. First of all, if I am calling outer function, first of all, observe. Just I am calling outer function. Okay. Whenever I am calling outer function, cursor will goes to the here. Yes, this statement executed. Inner won't executed. Line number 5 executed. The return inner, sir, the inner function will be stored into where? Assigning to the F1. I'm not calling F1. That's why line number 2 and 5 will be executed because of I'm not calling inner function. Observe carefully. Line number 2 and 5. Sir, the return function will be available into F1. Whenever I'm calling F1, yes, I'm returning inner now. Now I'm calling function. Now inner function also started. That is I am telling. Sir, suppose now clear. Sir, if I am removing the parenthesis, what will happen? Please tell.
Nothing. Error.
Nothing. Error. No. Sir, think a little bit. Sir, very, very important concepts are simple logics only, but most important dangerous concepts. Not error. Pakka. No error. Can I execute it? If I am executing, line number 2, line number 5 will be executed. 2 and 5. Sir, this output you will get. This output. Observe. Wow. How? Everyone telling error, but I'm not getting error. So, in interview room, they will ask the very most important concept. What is the difference between these two? F1 equal to outer. F1 equal to outer. What is the difference? Any guessings? Without parenthesis, with parenthesis, what is the difference? Sir, simple, sir. Previously observe. Sir, I will take one more Python file. A small chota example I will explain. Observe carefully. Sir, def wish. Print. Hello. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Okay. Perfect. Sir, if I am calling wish function, I want to save, will execute inner function without return value will be stored. Yes, 90% correct. I will give full clarity. Yeah, perfect. So I want to store it into the test1.py. Okay, observe here, concentrate this program. Sir, if I am running py test1.py, hello, good morning, happy Sunday, I'm getting. Sir, now carefully observe. What is the meaning of this? Wish, greet. Greet equal to wish. What is the meaning? Now, if I am calling greet, am I getting the output? Yes. If I am calling the greet function, observe carefully. Hello, good morning, happy Sunday. What is the meant for means? Sir, here first one function you are created. Assume this is hello, good morning, something is available there. Assume, okay? Sir, what is your function name, sir? First, wish. Fine. Sir, what is the line number 3 meanings? I am giving function aliasing. Remember. So what it is meaning means greeting. Greet I am given to that. So that's why I am calling greet function. I am getting that. Now observe carefully. Wish, greet equal to wish means function aliasing. Sir, assume that. So now please tell carefully your answer. Del of wish, greet. What will happen? Am I getting output or not?
No output.
Harsha telling error.
No. Yes. We will get output. We will get output. Yes.
Please repeat it. So I'm not getting any output. Error am I getting?
We will get output.
Observe carefully. I will get the output. Hello, good morning, happy Sunday. Why error? Harsha, some guys are telling error. So just now what I'm telling. First one function created. What it is containing? Hello, good morning. Okay, this is the function. Sir, what is the function name, sir? Wish is the function name. Sir, now line number 3, greet. So one more function name is available. Sir, line number 4 executed. Del wish. Wish gone. Reference variable gone. Still greet is available, not available? Available. That's why I'm getting as a output. Why error? No error. Sir, just it is a reference only function aliasing, sir. Remember, who are telling error? No, madam. So I am given one more aliasing to the my wish function. For suppose tomorrow I am given this greet to Sunny. Sunny equal to greet. Del of greet. Am I run Sunny now? Am I getting output or error? Output error now.
Output, or we will get output.
Yes, because of getting output because of first wish. Next time giving greet. Next time given Sunny. I deleted greet. Sunny will be executed. Hello, good morning, happy Sunday. So now, based on this, you tell these differences. What is the difference between these two? So in my program, first observe this one, outer. Sir, it is called as a, what it is? Function call. That is the reason, observe, save this. If I am given parenthesis is called as a function calling, inner function also calling. I am not given parenthesis. Sir, what it is? Please respond. Function aliasing. So outer given one more reference, that is F1. The most valuable interview questions are, this is called as a function call. This is called as a function aliasing. Sir, if you have any doubt, please respond, because if you have little bit confusion, next to function decorator is very dangerous concept. If you have any doubt, now itself only you can ask, no problem. Again, I will explain. What is the difference between parenthesis without parenthesis? Parenthesis is called as a function calling. Without parenthesis is called as a function aliasing. Please respond if you have any doubt. So I will write both. One is function aliasing, one is function calling.
Okay, mine is just one query.
Yeah.
Okay, in the function call, we have mentioned f1 equal to outer function. Okay,
Yes.
if I had mentioned f1 function equal to outer function, then what would have the result?
Tell f1 equal to
F1 function, F1 function,
f1 equal to
F1 bracket parenthesis, F1 parenthesis equal to outer parenthesis.
oh, then it will give error.
Okay.
Just you can give variable only. No. F1 means observe. Error, syntax error, no chance. Just I am given variable. Aliasing name only. With parenthesis, it will give left and right. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, everyone
outer
clear? Still any doubt?
Sir, a program there outer there another pedte.
Where?
The outer F1 is equal to outer parenthesis.
Am I calling inner?
Yes.
Just now what I am telling, nested functions. Sir, inner function is possible to call outside definition? No chance. Whatever it is, that's why just example I am given. F1, add. So outside no chance, not possible. Inside only you can call that inner function. Function definition. If you want a doubt, run this. So first to save this. See error. Because of inner function, no chance, outside definition. Sir, that is nested functions. Now, sorry, very important concept. Okay, these 15 to 20 minutes, please observe carefully. One most important topic, that is function decorators. Maximum, mostly, no one will touch this topic though, because a bit dangerous and important topic. Sir, can I go this topic? Function decorators. Today I will finish decorators and generators, sir. Both, please. Until 20 minutes or else maximum half an hour. Okay, please stay. Okay, function decorators. So, do you know what is the meaning of decoration? Sir, everyone knows about that decorations. Decoration, normal word decoration means, suppose today in your home some function is there, evening 6 o'clock. Yes, very good. Some function is there, some your baby first year birthday or something function, your kid birthday, something is there, decorations are there. Sir, I'll say assume one example I will give. Yes. Any doubt? Someone is speaking. Sir, anyone, any doubt? Can I continue? Yeah. So now I will give one small example. So do you know, suppose in Telugu we can call it as a Pelli Chubulu. Sir, here I don't know how many of you married or how many of you unmarried, I don't know. Suppose here, if any unmarried persons, okay, so many guys are there, unmarried persons. Suppose here, some working employees are there, unmarried persons are there, issue. Sir, your father, your parents make a call to you. Are today we have a, in Telugu we can call it as a pelli chupudu. In English we can call matchmaking. So, okay, your parents are calling to you, your father. Are today you can meet one girl. She is staying in high-tech city. She is also software employee. Once you can meet her evening 6 o'clock, if your time is free time, once you can meet both of you, if you're okay, then we will talk to her parents. Like that, they are telling. Matchmaking today. Your matchmaking is there. Evening 6 o'clock, sir. So, for that lady, parents also they called. Amma, today evening 6 o'clock, you can meet one person. If you both are okay, then we will talk to his parents. Then we will match fixing will be done. Okay, fine. Sir, at what time match fix? 6 p.m. Okay, as usual, we are going to the office. 6 p.m. matchmaking is happening. Sir, generally, regular, if you want to go to the normal classes, if you go to normally, 6 o'clock, you want to meet one lady, and she also want to meet one person. 6 o'clock meeting is there. Sir, generally ladies, 4 o'clock they took the permission from the office. They left from the office. Okay, they want to go to one place. What is that place? Before meeting to you, they want to go to one place. What is that place? Yes. Beauty parlor. Yes, very good. Because of, sir, without beauty parlor, if she met directly to you, or you also directly want to meet, the marriages never happens. Compulsory. She want to go to the beauty parlor, makeup, geek-up, this, that, everything, and she want to came and meet to the boy. In cinemas also see, in on-screen heroines, why that much of beautiful? Because of makeup only. Without makeup, you can shoot one film. How she is available? Sir, seriously, without beauty parlors, without makeups, marriages never happen. Yes or no? It's pakka, damn sure. Yes. So that is the reason. Maybe ladies will go. Nowadays, gents also is going to the beauty parlor. Okay, for the makeup, makeup, everything. So now what happened is there. So in the beauty parlor, whenever one person entering into the parlor, same person will come or any new person will come outside. Same person will come with some makeup, some extra decorations. Same like that. Sir, what is a decorator? Decorator is also a function which can take a function as a argument and will give extended functionalities and return the modified function with functionality. Just like, sir, if anybody asking what is a decorator, just like beauty parlor. How one person entering to the beauty parlor, whenever he come outside, he will come some extra glowing makeup, geek up, everything. Same like that. This is decorator concept is also. So what is a decorator? Decorator is a one function. Which can take a function as a argument and extend its functionality. And return modified function. With extended functionality. So what happened there? So I will give input function to the decorator. Then I will get same function, some extra modifications, output function. That is the concept of the decorators. So the main decorator objective is we want to extend existing functionality without modification. Then happily I want to go to the decorators concept. So I will do input function to the decorator and I will get the output. Okay, observe carefully. So decorator is also normal function only. Now see a small example. Sir, depth of wish. Name. Print that. Hello, comma, name, comma. Good morning. Sir, wish I am calling, sir. Sir, argument is there. Sir, computer, you have to give the some argument. So I want to give as a wish of Bunny. Wish of Chinny. Wish of Sunny. Assume that. It's a normal program only. If I run this, I will get hello Bunny, good morning. Hello Chinny, good morning. Hello Sunny, good morning. There. Sir, but what is my requirement is don't change the function. Same function you can use. But what is there? Sir, generally as a human psychology, suppose in your college days or nowadays in office also. Suppose whenever morning if you are going to the office, okay, in your office corridor or in your cabins, suppose your colleagues, if you want to wish your colleagues, generally morning we wish to the colleagues, hi, good morning, like that. Sir, if the colleague is a gents, just casually we are wishing, hi, good morning, like that. Suppose maybe your beside cabin is a lady. Are you wishing normally? Just like casual wish? No, something special is there. If ladies are there, generally we are wishing the hi, very, very good morning. Like that, some of your face expressions will be changes. Good morning also will be changes. Something expression changes. You can observe. If you go to the office, observe your colleague. If the colleague is a gents, your wish is different. If your colleague is lady, your wish is the different. No, whatever required is. Sir, if it is a bunny, hi, bunny, good morning, like that. Chinny, gentle, hi, good morning. Sunny, lady, hi, Sunny, very, very good morning. Like that, I want to wish. So, don't change function. Function is the same. Sir, whenever name is Sunny, I want to change the wish. Hello, Sunny, hi, very, very good morning. Like that, I want to change this. Then, I want to go to the which one? Decorators. Observe carefully. Same function. Don't change this function. Okay, fine. Now, def one function, decor. Sir, it is not a keyword, sir. Function name. Sir, any name you can give. You can give your name also. Or else I can give my name also. Sir, function name should be any name. But our understandable purpose, I am given decor. Decor name is not mandatory. Okay? Okay, fine. Inside that, one variable. Why I am telling, what I am telling here? Input function I am given to the decorator, I will get the functionality. So I will pass which one? Which function I will pass here? One variable is required. That's I am given as a func. Just now I am telling inner function. Inner of I am passing a name. Because of which contains a name, that name I am passing. Sir, if name equal to Sunny, print the different ways. Print hello Sunny, very, very good morning. Like that I will tell. Oh no, if it is not Sunny, Bunny or something else. Simple. FUNC of pass the name. Normal name only. Next, return the inner. Enough. Sir, now see, observe. Sir, first of all, here no link. No link, okay? How to link means @decor. So what is the meaning of this one, sir? Sir, generally, if you know Java, we need to call annotations. JUnit, TestNG, before test, annotations we are calling. Here we are calling as a decorator. So what is the meaning? Means now link is available. So how it is executing? Observe. Which function passing to the decor? Yes, decor is there. Yes, decor is there. Which is passing to the function. Perfect. Sir, come to the inside. Is it directly executing inner? No, 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 no. Return inner. Okay, come to the inner. Sir, name. If the name equal to Bunny, if it is Bunny, execute direct function. If it is Chinny, execute direct function. If name equal to Sunny, yes, execute this one. Now observe. Decor, @decor is available. Hello Bunny, good morning. Hello, sorry, I am not saved the program. Save the program and run it. See, hello Sunny, very, very good morning. Sir, this is called as decorator, Generally in the Java, we are calling as a annotations, before test, after test, like that. So a function, I am given input to that function, then it is available there. Sir, without decorator, yeah.
Mas could you please explain me about the flow, because I could not get is the flow, but the depth. This function will be called first time. Hello.
Sir, here anyone has doubt in this one? Suppose, sir, first of all, here observe, sir, nothing here. Suppose there is no decor. If I say run, two different functions are there in my program. Okay, if I am running, what will happen? Which function only calling? Nothing changes. So what I can provide it means @decor. Sir, what is the decor? This is the decor. Sir, suppose here I am given function name Mahesh. So what I want to give? @Mahesh. So Mahesh will taking argument as a which is taking argument to the function. That is the link. But understandable purpose, what I am provided, decor is my function name. So what is the function name? Decor. And here also decor. Link, I am providing the link. No, what happened? Directly which function won't execute, which will be passing as an argument to the decor function. Okay, whenever coming to the inside, what happened? Is it executing inner function directly? No. What is the statement I provided? Return of inner. See, whenever coming to the inside, inner. Yes, it will go to the inner. Sir, which contains name? Sir, inner contains name. Now it is taking the first name as the argument. Name equal to what is the name? Bunny available. If not matches, what it will execute? What is the function, sir? Function contains wish, because wish is passing as argument to here. So one aliasing already I'm providing now. So function contains wish only, directly executed. Second time, Chinny will be passing to the variable, not matches, execute direct function. Now Sunny, whenever Sunny came, condition satisfied, this statement is executing. So I am providing chaining link between those two. So observe here what I am telling. One function, I am given input to the decorator. I am getting output function. Same concept. Which function I am passing input to the decorator. Sir, now please respond. Any doubt? Sir, if you are not getting it,
Just I wonder from where the execution, from which line number the execution will start. I am not getting correctly here.
Sir, today I will wind up because of already 1.5 hours completed. You are not getting this concept. Okay, fresh mind. I will start it concept. Okay. Everyone, please respond. Sir, are you getting it concept? No. Some guys are telling getting. Okay, Mari, why? What is the problem? Yeah, confusion. Okay. Sir, little bit confusion, but very important and interesting topic. This is a decorator. So what to do?